Hey everybody, it's Tom from Show Me Coasters, and today we're going to talk about the Seaworld and Busch Gardens new for 2020 roller coasters. Every park is getting a new roller coaster. So let's go ahead and start off with Seaworld San Diego. Seaworld San Diego announced in January that they would be getting a Bulgar and Mabalar dive coaster called Mako. Standing at 153 feet tall with a 143-foot drop, this will be the tallest dive coaster in California. And I want to give a shout out to Coaster Mac 305 on YouTube. This is his rendering of the layout for Mako at SeaWorld in San Diego. Now, according to the RCDB website, the elements for this new coaster are actually kind of impressive. It starts off with a 96-degree drop, which is actually beyond vertical, followed by a negative G stall loop, and then a corkscrew with the cutback after that, and then a cobra roll. Now, what is missing from this roller coaster that everyone is kind of excited about is there's no mid-course brake run. So there won't be any slowdown or a weird helix at the end of this. Next, let's take a look at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Recently, they announced Pantheon for the 2020 season, which will be an Intamin Blitz coaster multi-launch. This is supposed to be the fastest multi-launch coaster in North America, and it will feature 2 inversions.
Seen a convergence like this. The might of 5 Roman gods in one record-breaking coaster. Strength, speed, power. Witness the force of the new Pantheon. America's fastest multi-launch coaster reached 72 miles per hour, flying forward and backward with a 95-degree drop. Epic thrills come together in the new Pantheon. Coming in 2020 to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg.
And at Seaworld San Antonio, we have Texas Stingray, the new GCI wooden coaster. And at Seaworld Orlando, we have Icebreaker, the premier multi-launch coaster. And last but not least, we have the most anticipated coaster for 2020, and that's going to be at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. This is Iron Gwazi.
What's that?
The wait is over. Something's coming.
So folks, that's going to do it for today's video. This is Tom from Show Me Coasters. As you can see, SeaWorld and Busch Gardens is really pumping in the cash and bringing new coasters to their parks for the next season. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us some likes and subscribes. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Again, this is Tom from Show Me Coasters. Have a great night.